That's me.
Got Dan back here on the drums, Al over here on the... What'd you play on that one, Al? He's our versatile... He's our jack of all trades over here. He even does the... Never mind. Yeah.